A bit about the difficulty defensively guarding a team like that has, five guys that can go from the outside, five slashers, and how tough that is.
That's what makes them difficult. Is when you got five guys on the floor that can make plays. And they made some shots tonight from outside, which makes it even more difficult. And they're a one-on-one team. You got to help. When you got to help and they knock down shots, it makes it difficult. They're a good offensive team.
You guys 1 of 16 from three in the first 3 quarters and picked it up a little bit in the fourth. What was the difference?
Just made shots. There's no difference. The hoop's still 10 feet high.
You like all the looks?
I didn't get a whole lot tonight, actually. They played a pretty good defense, but the ones in the first half I got, they're pretty good looks, and I missed them. Second half, came back and knocked them down.
Now, the difficulty of building some momentum. You guys get a big win in Orlando, and come back to earth a little bit, and now you face San Antonio. It's this time of the year, and it's tough.
Part of playing the NBA. Every game, I think what makes the NBA so good right now is that there's not really a whole lot of weak teams in this league. So it's time to play every time you lace them up. San Antonio's going to be ready on Wednesday. We got to be ready as well, and we got to continue to get better.